Hello, friends and family. Welcome back to Nanaaba's kitchen. It has been a while, I know, since I uploaded a video. Life has been happening, as you all know, but I am back full swing. Very excited today to present how I make my shrimp powder and my fish powder right at home, homemade from the scratch. So all you need is your fresh shrimps. You also need your fish and a pair of scissors. You need some water and salt and smoked paprika. That's it. That's all it is. So to clean my shrimp, I first begin by snipping the face right off. And yes, I know that sounds really cruel, but those eyes, they kind of creep me out, so they gotta go. Now the next thing I do is I snip part of that spine off through the shell, and then I go in with my scissors and I snip the rest of the spine out, and then I am able to expose that vein area. That is the digestive system that contains those impurities, the sand that you just don't want to bite into shrimp and, you know, kind of have those the greedy aspect of it. It's just very off-putting. So remove that, as I did, and I've cleaned the rest of them. And now I'm pouring in some salt, and then in goes my water, and they're going to sit in this brine solution for 15 minutes. So we're able to thoroughly clean our shrimp and fish and also season them before we move on to the next step. So friends, if you're like me who likes to make things from the scratch, so you know the exact ingredients that went in and never have to worry about any of your items being adulterated with toxic material that might be harmful to your body, or just not have any sand or impurities in your ingredients for your cooking, or you live in the diaspora and you have limited access to these authentic African ingredients, well, guess what? This tutorial shows you that you can make your own shrimp powder, your own fish powder at home. This is smoked paprika, and the original shrimp powder and fish powder are smoky. The outcome is smoky, and because they're smoky, I don't have a smoker, so I use smoked paprika, which is such a lifesaver. Anytime I cook anything and I want that smoky flavor, smoked paprika is my friend. And what is smoked paprika? Smoked paprika is red bell peppers that are dried and smoked. That's all it is. So very natural ingredient. So now it's time to bake at 225 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to bake. It took me an hour and 47 minutes to bake these till perfectly bone dry, and that's what you want your outcome to be, dry. So layer it after you have greased your mesh. It goes in your oven in your middle rack, and there we go. Now let's take a listen. Bone dry. Perfect. Now we are going to go ahead and blend some of our shrimp and our fish. We start with our shrimp first, and let's see what we get. Da 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 da! Dun 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 dun! There we go. This is shrimp powder. It smells amazing. It doesn't have any sand because we deveined it. Perfect for your shito, your stews, and your soups. Now, let's see what we get with the fish. Perfect fish powder. I chose not to use anchovies because I really wanted a meatier fish, which is small as well, and also didn't have as much of that pungent fishy smell or aroma. So there you have it. My next adventure is preparing another shito recipe, which is going to be child friendly, and for those of you who cannot tolerate heat, you would like to see this one. Make it a great day and have fun, especially in that kitchen.